what a CNC machine is and how does it work. So, CNC machines have become backbone of our manufacturing industry as of today. CNC machines are being used to make mobile phones that we use every day, to cars that we drive every day, to rockets that are being fired onto the moon mission, to the Mars mission, and to the weapons that are being used in the wars that we see today. So, CNC machines have become an integral part of manufacturing today. So, CNC machines have a very long history. It was in 1960s that the CNC machines came into the picture. Why did they come into picture? Because without CNC machines, getting production was very difficult. The time it took for doing production was very long. The accuracy that we wanted was not possible with manual systems. So in the previous times, there were workers who would have very good skills to be able to produce a part, to machine something, to mill something, and to grind something. So now that led to a lot of issues. So products were not very reliable. If you can recollect, in previous times, cars were not reliable. They would break down often. We would have to get parts replaced now and then. But today, cars have improved by a huge margin. They do not fail down. There's no breakdowns. The maintenance cost has gone very low, and earlier used to have services at very small stages. So 5,000 kilometers you need to service a car. Today 15,000, 20,000 kilometers, if you don't service a car, then also they work very fine. So CNCs have played a very integral role into developing the industry of manufacturing that we have today, and being able to meet the current demand of all the vehicles, of all the mobile phones that we have today. CNC stands for computer numeric control. So CNC machine is nothing but a simple conventional machine which uses computers to do the work, which earlier relied on highly skilled laborers to do that work. So today, any labor can work on a CNC machine and give the same output of a skilled labor back in 1960s, 1970s. And the best part is, the work is of high accuracy, the work of the output is repeatable, and it can be done at a fraction of cost and at the least amount of time possible.